Namaskar dosto. Today is 11th August 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for the Nifty for the next trading session, review my today's trade and share my learning on MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. It looks like Lalaji is getting into a new phase of a consolidation. But before we get into detail of that, let's have a very quick look into our global market. And when we look into global market, what we see is that S&P 500 is still looking quite strong and running parallel to 8-bar moving average. US government 10 bond yield is still below 1.32, and now it is taken resistance on 50 bar and moving below, and now on narrow range between 50 and 20, but still below 1.5 and those high range, so it's quite all right. And dollar index on daily chart today has started going down, so this is definitely a good sign for emerging market like India, and specifically for bank nifty. Now when we look into bank nifty, what we see is that bank nifty has formed kind of a doji, but in red, not exactly doji because this is not at the center, so you can say that the bears are in control. But if we look into dollar on daily chart, we see yesterday, day before yesterday, week reversal, which is the reversal pattern which I've discussed in my educational playlist. Then we see a red bar today, so this is almost kind of confirmation that bank nifty is definitely looking quite weak. But with the dollar index support, let's see how bank nifty will look like. But HDFC Bank today, after many days of up move, has shown some sign of weakness today. Maybe a profit booking, but a solid red bar. And most interesting thing is Motabai, who is back in action. And now we had a consecutive two green candle, and today it had a significant big move. So, and it is now will have a very good support at 2111, which is a combination of a monthly H3 or H4 and a weekly H3. So Reliance is looking now quite strong. So mixed signal, but the global cues are looking quite all right. So with that in background, let's have a look into Lalaji. So when we look into Lalaji, Lalaji on weekly chart is looking almost forming a doji and showing a new phase of consolidation, maybe between 16,140 to 16,350 level. I'm sorry, but still above 8 bar and 20 bar moving average. So definitely in uptrend, and now 8 bar is slowly steadily rising up, and now it is coming as close as 15916. So definitely now this is in uptrend on weekly chart. On daily chart, we see that today it has taken a support on 8 bar and shown a sharp recovery. So now 16141 is a very good support, and after 641 the next very good support will come at 15961, which is a combination of my black line 20 bar moving average and a weekly L4. And on upper side it has a good resistance at 16379, and if 16379 is gone, then the next target could be at 16521. But from past few trading session, we see a consolidation in a tight range. If I want to say, then it will be 16175 and 16351, but definitely in uptrend. And on 15-minute chart, the trend is clear. Today market took a support on 200 bar moving average and started moving up, and has closed above 50, above 8, above 20, and above 200 moving average, and definitely above weekly pivot. So on 15-minute chart also, I'm sorry, the trend is up. So moving average are giving a clear indication that the trend is up. Let's try to confirm that with a market profile. So we see that tomorrow's market profile is actually below today's market profile. So here the trend is down. Now it all depends upon where the market will open tomorrow. So tomorrow, as of now, SJX is at 16327, which is above tomorrow's pivot, which is at 16261. So definitely, but below, but within the range. So if it opens up, then it confirms that the trend is in upward direction. So if the trend is up, as a defensive trader, our strategy is to buy on dip. So tomorrow the pivot is at 16261 and L3 is at 16234. So 16234, which is very closer to my blue magical line, 20 bar moving average, and also closer to 200 bar moving average. So any dip towards 16234 or 16240 and 16211, this zone is a very good zone to buy for a target of 16379, which is also tomorrow's H4 and weekly H3. So for tomorrow, the trade plan, assuming that the open is above pivot, which is at 16261, is buy on dip in the zone of 16239 to 16212 with a stop loss below previous day low, which is at 16164, or maybe if somebody wants can cap S1, which is at 16182 for a target of 16379. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Tomorrow it looks like it will be again a difficult day for me to take a trade because I will be outside. So let's see how it goes. I will most probably not trade tomorrow. Now for today, we entered the market after a break, and idea was very clear that it's going to be a trend day because the pivot was very narrow, and idea was to sell on rise, and market respected my trade plan, and on open exactly at H 3, it started reversing and touched the target of 200 bar moving average, which is L4, and had a super trend. And then at 200 bar moving average, again it took support because the open was above pivot. So the basic trend was up and it reversed back and again gave a very good move. I couldn't take any trade today because the idea for me was that the open should be below pivot, and when it didn't open below pivot, I was looking for a buy on dip, and then the entire day I missed this full downward move, and then somewhere I was not ready to take a trade at the bottom. So no trade for me today. Uh, Sorry, I did not open my Zerodha account, but I'll show it to you tomorrow. So no trade for me today. What's the learning? Learning is that breaks are not good, and also today I was late on my trading desk, so that also somewhere pushed me not to take a trade. So get back to the group and do not miss trending day. That's my learning. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Welcome to all my new followers. If you have not followed me on my YouTube channel Trade Plan Nifty, then please do not forget to subscribe. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.